Hello. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This day kind of snuck up on me. I didn't really realize that it was St. Patrick's Day, but it is. But I had a delivery today, and I want to share that with you on what scents I got and maybe some upcoming stuff. So, first off, if you don't know, we're having a sale, and it's amazing. I've already placed an order, and I got a wall fan diffuser for $5 instead of $25. Do you know how amazing that is? Wow. But that sale is in my clearance section, so I've made a post about it. I'm not going to beat it to death on this video, but I am here to show you some new wax. Okay, so I got the Dumbo wax. It's called Dumbo Circus Parade. It is apparently very, very popular. This is like a light yellow color. Hello, Lori. So this one smells like delight in sweet clementine, creamy peach, fresh mango, and vanilla bean. And this one's good. I might have to add it to club because it's just so like gentle and like it smells good. Fruity and just a little bit creamy. Kind of like you're eating like those orange creamsicles. So this wax is really good. So you should check it out if you like fruity scents and creamy scents. Now, I keep going. I've got my laptop in front of my work computer, and I was trying to use my mouse for my laptop. That wasn't working. Okay, this one. Have any of you seen that movie, Turning Red? I watched it with my mom, I guess a couple days ago. It's so good. So, if you've seen the movie, you know what this is. This is the Turning Red wax. And that's just what it's called, just Turning Red wax. Okay, so the scent notes for this one is bright pomegranate, juicy cherry, sugar cane, and orange twist. And it's a stout one. It makes, if you've seen the movie, you'll know like she gets really big and turns into a panda, and then the mom is even bigger. If I had to describe this, this would be like the mom. It is a very strong scent, fruity, energetic. It smells very energetic. So this one's a keeper for me. I love it. Now, I do have one. I've already smelled all these because I couldn't help myself. I opened it during my lunch break. But now I've got the Chase Rainbows collection. And there's one in here I'm not a big fan of, so I don't love everything. Let me get to those scent descriptions. Okay, so let me get one of each because I have two of each. So this is the Chase Rainbows collection. I went through it. It's like a very bright color palette. There's no purple, unfortunately, but whatever. What can you do? So, if you see, there's gold foil on the label right there that says Chase Rainbow. This is the color yellow, and it's the yellow wax. And then we've got green. And then we've got blue. Okay. Oh, then we got red. I love the gold detail. It's so pretty. And then we've got orange. Okay, so they smell pretty freaking good and like spot on. Apparently this is like designed, this collection was designed to represent what a color would smell like. So this is supposed to smell like orange, even though orange is a color. So let's see. Bright tangerine and orange slices shine between clouds of creamy vanilla. It's good, but to me there's like this back part of it. I think I would like it better warm, because this one it's bright and happy, but it's not like the same kind of bright and happy. I don't know if I like tangerine. I know I like orange and creamy vanilla, but this tangerine note is a little different. But it's very good. I would stock up on this. These don't come out until April 11th. I got them early because I'm a consultant, so all 5, you can get them all together. They'll be $25. So that's $5 per bar. And if you know anything about Scentsy, you know that they're typically $6 a bar. So if you get the bundle, $25. I they'll be able to be bought. Yeah, you can buy them individually for $6. Okay, now let's move on to red. Soft watermelon hues highlight the sweetness of cherry and strawberry. This is so freaking good. It smells so freaking good. It's like watermelon. I didn't think it could smell like that, but it does. It's nice. It's not like the artificial cherry. So if you don't like the smell of cherry like in medicine, then this is going to be for you, because this is like a fresh cherry smell. I love it. I'm going to add this one to club. My club is just growing exponentially for all the wax that I have in there. Now let's talk about one that I'm not a big fan of. Blue. First off, I don't really like the color blue, but this smell is a little different for me. Let's see. It's got sweet notes of melon shimmer against a crisp blue sky, while hints of musk add depth and dimension. So, okay, I didn't understand that it was melon scented to begin with when I first smelled it. But like the blue sky is what's really coming through. This smells like fresh air to me. So, and like just a small amount of laundry and a small amount of like spa water. So I think this one, you know, might not be the most popular, but maybe that's just because I'm a fruity person. I like fruit smells. So yeah, this one I think is going to be the most gender neutral scent, because I know a lot of masculine people don't like fruity stuff. So this for sure. Oh my gosh, and if you have a baby shower or like a gender reveal, this wax would be a great favor for your attendees. I'm sorry, I'm sitting in a chair that like rocks, and so I gotta resituate. And then this one would be good for if you've got a girl and you're having a baby shower. Okay, let's see. I've got green next. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Green is so good. Green has Granny Smith apples, cactus blossom, I don't know what that is, and kiwi water. Kiwi water. This is so freaking good. It smells like a soap that I've used before, but the best kind of soap. And I don't know why or where. It's so like, if you like Johnny Appleseed, this is the green apple version of that, in my opinion. It is like, it smells like a fresh, like you bit into a green apple. Oh my gosh, love it. But it's not like sugary sweet, because the cactus blossom in it gives it like a natural smell. Very good. 10 out of 10. And then the last, that's my 11 out of 10 rating, is yellow. Radiant Lemonade, brightened by flashes of zesty grapefruit and pineapple. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I could smell this all day. And I hope that this gets like picked up and like saved as a catalog item, or I'm just gonna need a boatload of this. The lemonade is so true, and the grapefruit is there to like lower the sweetness and but also keep the acidity there. And then the pineapple, if you know me, you know I love pineapple. The pineapple is there, and but it's not like a pina colada pineapple. It's a true pineapple. I'm obsessed with yellow. So let's see. Yellow and green. So 11 out of 10 in my opinion. And then 10 out of 10. And then I would rate red as 9 out of 10. Orange, I'd say like a 6 out of 10. And then blue, I would say like a 5 out of 10 rating. And then for Dumbo, I give this a 7 out of 10. And then turning red, probably also a 7. They're pretty equal to me. But yeah, that yellow wax, I'm gonna need this by the truckload. So, I hope that was helpful. I can take pre-orders for that because I can't officially place that order until April 11th. Or I'll post reminders about when it goes live. And I plan on making samples. So, if you ordered from me in February, if you order from me in March, yeah, if you're a Scentsy Club subscriber, yeah, you'll get samples from me. So, look out for that. Okay. Got a couple more things I want to chit chat about. So if you've ever used Scentsy Fresh, you know that it's amazing. If you haven't yet, I'm overexposed, my gosh, go away. Okay, Scentsy Fresh is like a fabric freshener. You can put it on your carpets, your car interior, bedding, carpets, no, I'd say carpets, rugs, curtains is what I was trying to say. Stuff like that that you can't really wash, but you want to like deodorize. Shoes too, if you don't want to wash your shoes because they're like nice or something, but they smell bad. You can just spray some Scentsy Fresh in it. It's not going to stain. It's going to deodorize it, and it's going to be amazing. Well, we're getting seasonal scents in Scentsy Fresh, which we have never had before. We've had counter clean, dish soap. Yeah, counter clean and dish soap and hand soap in seasonal scents, but we've never had Scentsy Fresh in a seasonal scent. And these are limited time. And they're coming on Monday. So, way sooner than this wax. So on Monday you can get hibiscus pineapple. Oh my gosh. It smells like hibiscus, pineapple, and sweet mandarin. So if you like tropical smells, that's gonna be for you. And then there's a scent called Oh Snapdragon, exotic blood orange, sparkling pink pineapple, and fierce snapdragon. So that one's a little floral-y, because I believe a snapdragon is a flower. And then you've got the fruit in there. And then one of the most popular scents in our fragrance mist, like a body spray, is coming to Scentsy Fresh. And it's watermelon tangerine. And that is sweet watermelon slices, juicy tangerine, and dewy greens. So I like that one a lot. Out of the three, watermelon tangerine is my favorite, but hibiscus pineapple and Oh Snapdragon is going to be very summery, spring awesomeness. Just spray all over your house. Okay, let's see. Those will be $12 a bottle. And I believe you can bundle and save. It's been a minute since I've bundled those, but okay. Then we're getting, I'm going to turn you around. Hang on. Because I want you to see the picture. Oh, goodness gracious. We're getting a little koala buddy. Look at the little guy. So cute. So he's called Cozy the Koala. And he's a little Scentsy buddy. If you've ever heard about our Scentsy buddies, they're like soft stuffed animals that you put a scent pack in. And it smells good. And he'll just be 40. He's got a little cardigan on him. Super cute. That's coming on Monday too. So. And then next week, there's lots of things coming, but there's way too much on this for me to explain all in one video, so I'll make a graphic about it or a post in this group. So yeah, lots of good things coming. So exciting. I think that's everything I wanted to talk about. I had work today from home for the first time in a very long time, like my office job. So that was great. It was so good to be able to work from home and, you know, take a break when I wanted to, and wear pajamas, and I didn't have to be on any meetings or any calls. It was great. So that's basically what's been up with me. I put my lights up finally in my room. It took me like 2 months to put them up, but they're pretty, so really into it. Yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see and smell a lot of this stuff. It's gonna be great. So if I don't have your mailing address and you want a sample, let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll take care of it. Bye guys.